Hello! Video about learning by the AST PRO device of new keys for Lexus RX 300 2019 with their complete loss. This device is AST PRO. New certification unit and blank key. The tested car Lexus RX 300 2019. Enter the car and press the Start button. On the dashboard, a message about the absence of a key in the salon. Show that the buttons of the new key don't work. And the engine does not start. This is a new certification unit. Disconnect the connectors from the original car certification unit. The AST PRO cables were previously connected to the steering latch connector and to the car OBD connector. Press the AST PRO button and do immobilizer reset. Disconnect AST PRO from the car. We connect the new certification unit to the car and reattach AST PRO. Click on the AST PRO button and adapt this new unit. To learn the new key, disconnect and reconnect AST PRO to the connector and press its button. We attach the new key to the car Start button. The sound signal indicates that the key has been successfully learned. Disconnect AST PRO. And check the operation of the new key. It is seen that the buttons work. The car central lock and the steering wheel are unlocked and the engine starts. Close open the car with the new key. Test is successfully completed. Thanks all for watching.